Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready to jump into another deep dive.
Absolutely. Got some interesting stuff to unpack today.
This one's all about AI and making money. We've got a whole bunch of sources, and they're all buzzing about how AI can basically do the heavy lifting for you.
The possibilities are pretty wild, right?
Yeah, wild. So we're going to break it all down. We'll be looking at how AI can help with blogging, YouTube, even making and selling your own digital products. Oh, and freelancing too.
Lots to cover.
Where should we start?
Well, blogging and SEO websites seem like a good jumping off point.
Right, because everyone says content is king, but creating it, ugh, that can be a grind.
It can be, but that's where AI tools like, ChatGPT or Jasper come in. They can practically write blog posts for you.
So you're saying I can just tell the AI, write me a blog post about, I don't know, underwater basket weaving, and it'll just spit something out?
Pretty much.
Yeah.
It can give you a really solid first draft anyway, and it'll do it way faster than a human could.
Okay, so that's the writing part. But then there's the whole SEO thing. How do we make sure people actually see those AI-written posts?
Well, AI can actually help with that too. It can do things like analyze keywords, it
Yeah.
can make sure you're using the right words in your titles and descriptions so people can find you on Google.
Oh, so it's like having a little robot SEO expert working for you 24/7.
Exactly. And once you start getting traffic to your site, then you can look at monetization strategies like AdSense, affiliate marketing, all that good stuff.
Okay, so we've got our blog pumping out AI-written content, and people are actually finding it. What's next?
Well, how about YouTube? We've seen a lot about these faceless YouTube channels popping up.
Faceless YouTube channels. What are those?
It's basically YouTube automation. You don't ever have to appear on camera.
Wait, I could have a YouTube channel without ever showing my face. How does that even work?
AI, of course. You can use AI to write the scripts, create voiceovers using things like 11 Labs, and even piece together video footage using AI editing tools like Pictory.
Wow, so it's like having a whole production team powered by AI.
Yeah, pretty much. And while you might miss out on that personal connection you get when you're on camera, the plus side is scalability. You can pump out way more content and cover a wider range of topics.
Interesting trade-off. But the money-making part, that's still the same as regular YouTube, right? Ads, sponsorships, affiliate links.
Exactly. And guess what? AI can even help you optimize your videos for search, so you're more likely to get discovered.
Okay, this is blowing my mind. AI is writing blog posts, it's making YouTube videos. What else can it do?
Well, it can also help you create and sell digital products.
Like what kind of digital products? Give me some examples.
Oh, tons of things. Ebooks, online courses, templates. Think Canva templates, Notion templates. You could even sell AI-generated art and music.
So you mean AI can actually create art and music that people will pay for?
It can. And the cool thing about digital products is that there's very little overhead and they're incredibly scalable.
You create it once and you can sell it a million times.
Exactly. And there are platforms like Gumroad and Amazon KDP that make it super easy to get your products in front of a huge audience.
Okay, so we've got AI writing our blogs, creating our YouTube videos, and even making our digital products. What's left?
Freelancing. There's a huge demand for AI-powered services right now.
What kind of services are we talking about?
Well, think about things like AI-enhanced content writing, where you use AI to get a first draft, and then you use your expertise to polish it up. Or AI-powered video editing, where AI can automatically transcribe and subtitle videos.
So basically, you're using AI to do the time-consuming parts, and then you're adding your human touch to make it even better.
Yeah, exactly. And you can offer these services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork.
So you're telling me I can go on Fiverr and say, hey, I can write your blog post with AI, and people will actually pay for that.
They will, especially if you position yourself as an expert who can use AI to deliver faster, cheaper, and more efficient solutions.
Wow, this is incredible. We've covered so much ground today. AI can help with blogging, YouTube, digital products, freelancing. It seems like the possibilities are endless.
They really are. It's an exciting time to be exploring all of this.
Any final thoughts before we wrap up?
I think it's important to remember that AI is a tool. It's up to us to use it ethically and responsibly. And, while these opportunities are incredible, success still requires effort.
Right. AI isn't a magic button. You still need to put in the work.
You do. You need to be creative. You need to understand your market. But AI can definitely make things easier and faster.
Well said. So for everyone listening, I think the big question is, which of these methods speaks to you? What are you good at? What are you interested in?
Pick something that excites you and see how you can use AI to take it to the next level.
The future's wide open, so go out there and make something amazing.